for Manila 2035, Vibrant City, Great Future. This vision embodies our aspiration to transform Manila into a globally competitive, resilient, inclusive, creative, and smart capital city, where economic progress, social equity, cultural vitality, institutional excellence, and environmental stewardship flourish together. Guided by this vision, the proposed amendment introduced and institutionalized our updated city mission with the tagline, "Let's make Manila great again," towards the vision of a world-class capital city. Ang misyong ito ay panawagan sa pamahalaan, mga komunidad, sektor ng negosyo, at mga katuwang sa kaunahan na sama-samang kumilos upang maibalik ang kadakilaan ng Maynila sa pamamagitan ng makabagong pamumuno na may kapanatagan at pagtugon sa pagtunlad na nakasentro sa kapakanan ng mamamayan. To operate this mission, the amendments highlight the MDN City Governance Trust, which
Wow!